Hey everyone, Derek here with Stellar One, and welcome back to Escape Velocity, where we take on the business nightmares holding you back and show you how to break through. Today's episode probably hits close to home for a lot of you. Manual tracking and spreadsheet chaos. So picture this. It's Monday morning. Your warehouse manager updates their inventory spreadsheet. By Tuesday, sales has their own version with different numbers. Wednesday, accounting sends you a third spreadsheet asking why nothing matches. By Friday, someone's Excel formula breaks, and now you're spending your weekend manually counting inventory to figure out what's actually real. Does this sound familiar? If it does, you're not alone. And you're bleeding time, money, and sanity because of it. This isn't just annoying, it's dangerous. When you're updating inventory across multiple spreadsheets, you're not managing your business, you're managing chaos. So how did we get here? Well, I see three main culprits. First, multiple data entry points. Your warehouse team has their spreadsheet, sales has theirs, accounting has another one. Everybody's working on their own silo and nobody's numbers agree. It's not that anyone's doing anything wrong, it's that the system itself is broken. Second, lack of real-time updates. Spreadsheets don't update themselves. By the time warehouse shares their latest counts with sales, those numbers are already outdated. Somebody just picked an order. Someone else just received a shipment, and nobody knows what's actually available right now. Third, human error multiplication. Every time somebody types a number, there's a chance they get it wrong. Transpose digits, decimal point in the wrong place, copy paste from the wrong cell. These mistakes multiply across spreadsheets, and good luck trying to trace them back to wherever it all went sideways. Let's talk about what this actually costs you. Your inventory accuracy plummets. You think you have stock, but the shelf is empty. Or you're sitting on mountains of product you actually didn't realize you had. Either way, you're making decisions based on fiction. You're also wasting massive labor hours. Your team isn't doing productive work. They're reconciling spreadsheets, manually counting inventory, and building broken files. That's expensive time that should be spent growing your business. And maybe worst of all, decision-making paralysis. When leadership can't trust the numbers, everything slows down. Purchasing decisions get delayed, sales opportunities slip away, strategic planning becomes guesswork, and you're flying blind. Here's how you can escape this nightmare using these 3 steps. Step 1, conduct an inventory data audit. I'm not gonna lie, this one is gonna hurt, but you need to do it. Map out every spreadsheet currently in use. Who owns it? What does it track? How often does it get updated? Where do the numbers conflict? This painful exercise shows you exactly how bad the problem is, and it builds your business case for fixing it properly. Step 2, invest in cloud-based ERP solution. I know what you're thinking. That sounds expensive. You know what's more expensive? Paying people to manually update spreadsheets forever. A cloud-based ERP solution gives you real-time inventory updates from any location. Everyone works from the same database, transactions are tracked automatically, and you get complete visibility across your operation. This is not a band-aid, this is a real solution. Step 3, create standard operating procedures. Even the best system fails without good processes. Document how inventory should be received, transferred, adjusted, and shipped. When your processes are standardized, your data becomes consistent. Training new staff becomes manageable, and you're not reinventing the wheel every time someone has a question. Here's what changes when you make this shift. Your inventory accuracy goes from 70% to 98%. You know what you have, where it is, and how fast it's moving. No more surprises. Your team gets their time back. Instead of reconciling spreadsheets for hours every week, they're focusing on work that actually moves the business forward. And leadership can make confident decisions again. When the numbers are trustworthy, you can plan, you can invest, and you can grow. Look, I get it. Spreadsheets are comfortable. They're what you know, but comfort isn't the same as effective. And what you've got here won't get you to where you need to go. The traditional way of juggling multiple spreadsheets, hoping everyone updates them correctly, crossing your fingers that nothing breaks, that's not a system. That's chaos with formulas. Run your inventory audit this week. Start researching cloud-based ERP solutions. Document your current processes so you know what needs to be standardized. Do this, and in 90 days, you'll have a business that runs on data that you can trust. I'm Derek with Stellar One. If you're ready to escape velocity on spreadsheet chaos or any of the other nightmares we tackle in this series, please visit us at stellar1.io. See you at the next episode.